probably have no idea who I am, but you may recognize the shirt or the car. Not that car, this car. And that's Jess. Where are we going?
Baviaanskloof.
Let's go. This is Jess, I'm Kurt.
And we're the owners of BeanBagTheBrand, which is, if you don't know, the brand that Faf de Klerk wore when he met Prince
Harry. But I think we're a little more than that. We're known for our tights.
Yes, our girls running tights. Our girls running tights and like the funky printed speedos, like just very like cool, easygoing stuff which is worn. This is like we don't really have a plan right now because the lady who works at this place doesn't ever respond to my WhatsApps. So I think we're just gonna wing it, eh?
Where are we going? Roughly, where are we going? What's the plan? Are we gonna camp? Or are we gonna?
Yeah, we're gonna be going just before Baviaanskloof, which is like one of the biggest nature reserves, and we're just gonna stay the night. We're gonna camp. Like it's the first time that we're actually doing this, so we're gonna live and learn a bit. But yeah, we're gonna go and find somewhere to camp. Stopped on the side of the road here just before we get to our spot where we're gonna go camp, and Kurt's having a wee. And we're going to put the drone up just so you guys can see a little bit more of Baviaans from the air. Look and see what it says. Okay, now you gotta do it.
Addy mode.
Okay, I think it says cannot take. Oh, there we go. Ready to go. So we are ready to go. And it seems like that thing's got a new voice.
Plus of the beanbag below, like this landing zone.
More! Kurt just landed on the road. Thank goodness I wasn't in the effing car. Glory.
Sorry. Just arrived. Beanbag Bucky made it. There's Jess. And our fire pit, kitchen. We're on a river. I'll show you quickly here. Right on the river. We'll probably go for a swim here.
Yeah, it's definitely warm enough. Wow.
And it is so warm. It's probably 30 degrees. 30 degrees in June.
This is crazy. Just moving the car around so that we can get the perfect place for our tent. What are you doing, Kurt?
Making space to eat food before anything. Jack's bagels.
Jack's.
Try. Jess is just in the water here. It's super shallow actually though. It seems deep, but I'll give it a go. My beanbag on. Oof, it's chilly. Thinking maybe if I go down there, there'll be a bit of a deeper channel. Give it a go. It's quite knee deep. Time to set up the camp. Off with
Ground cover.
before the ground cover, the main event, the 3-second pop-up tent. If you throw it just like that, you're good to go. So we set up camp here. Jess has got a little 3-second pop-up tent sorted there. The tent's we bought it from Decathlon. If you need camping stuff, it's great pricing. Quality wise, we'll see how it holds. There we go. Perfect. Fireplace. The best part is the RSI canopy. We can open it up there. Should I do it?
Oh, okay. You can do it.
You just pop it open like that, and inside we have everything we need. Little gas stove, cups, wine glasses, little gas cooker, slips down. Crazy, look at that. All ready to go.
It's amazing.
Wine glass, normal glasses, coffee mugs, kettle,
Tongs.
gas burner, tongs, matches, scissors, salt, pepper, everything you need. Our burger patties on the fire, and we're just busy making some roasted bread. Nothing better than roasted bread on the fire instead of store-bought rolls. There we go.
Sorry. Just. Amazing.
How was your shower?
It was terrible. Very cold. I don't know how to work a gas geyser. But it was fun. Fresh.
We just had our coffee and breakfast, and we've packed up camp, and we're gonna head out and see what we can find in the area. Bucky's ready to go. There we go. So let's see where the road takes us. We're on our way to the Coca Dam wall. Just before Baviaanskloof. Never been, so we'll see how it is. Just arrived at the Coca Dam just before Baviaanskloof, and it is crazy. The amount of, or the lack of water in here is insane.